Hello everyone. Today we will discuss question number 3 of exercise 11.1. Here we have the question. The shape of a garden is rectangular in the middle and semicircular at the ends as shown in the diagram. You can see here rectangular in the middle and two semicircular ends are there. Find the area and the perimeter of this garden. Length of rectangle is this. Already given here, rectangular length is 20 minus 3.5 plus 3.5. Let's have a look on the answer. So here we have the total length of this diagram. Total length is equal to 20 meter and diameter of the semicircle is 7 meter. Here you can see the diameter of the semicircle. So if the diameter is 7 meter, so its radius will be half of the diameter, that is 7 upon 2 is equal to 3.5 meter. Now we will take the rectangular field. So for a rectangular field, as we have to calculate the area and the perimeter of this diagram. So for that we need the area of this rectangle and the two semicircles, and also the perimeter of this rectangle and the two semicircles. So for a rectangular field, length is 20 minus 3.5 plus 3.5 already given in the question. 20 minus 3.5 plus 3.5 is 7. So 20 minus 7 is 13 meter. So here how did we get the length of this rectangular field 20 minus 3.5 plus 3.5? You can see here the diameter of this semicircle is 7 meter. It means its radius will be 3.5 meter. We have already calculated here. 3.5 meter radius mean this portion is also 3.5 meter and this is also 3.5 meter. So you have to subtract from 20 this 3.5 and 3.5. That means 20 minus 7, you will get the length of the rectangular field 13 meter. Now for rectangular field you need breadth also, and the breadth of rectangular field is 7 meter and the area is length multiplied by breadth. 13 multiplied by 7 is equal to 91 meter square. Now also you need to calculate the area of two semicircles. As we know, area of circle is pi r square. So half circle, that is the semicircle, will be half pi r square, and when we are finding the area of two semicircles, that will be equal to 2 multiplied by half pi r square. 2 and 2 will be cancelled out. On the place of pi, we can use 22 by 7 into r is 3.5 and 3.5. 22 by 7 multiply by 35 upon 10 by removing this one decimal, we get 10 here. 35 by 10, 7 5s are 35, 5 2s are 10, 2 11s are 22, 11 into 35, 11 5s are 55, 11 3s are 33, 33 plus 5 is 38. So 385 upon 10, that is equal to 38.5 meter square. This was the rough work. So as you get the area of rectangular field as that of two semicircles. So area of the garden will now be equal to area of rectangular field plus area of two semicircles, that is equal to 91 plus 38.5 meter square, 129.5 meter square. Now, as you calculated the area, now you have to find the perimeter. Semicircles and only this will include in this perimeter these two sides, that is 13 meter and 13 meter. So firstly we will calculate the perimeter of two semicircles. So here we have to firstly find the perimeter of two semicircles. As we know, the perimeter of or the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So the semicircle will be pi r or twice of pi r, that is 2 pi r. 2 into 22 by 7 r is 3.5 or 35 upon 10. 7 5s are 35, 5 2s are 10, 2 1s are 2, and it will give us only 22 meters. So now the perimeter of garden will be equal to 22, that is length of the semicircles, plus these two sides, because the circumference of the garden will be only the length of the outer portion, here the boundary. So it will be semicircle circumference, that is 22 meter plus 13 plus 13, 48 meter. This is the required answer of question number 3. Proceed to question number 4. A flooring tile has the shape of a parallelogram whose base is 24 cm and the corresponding height is 10 cm. How many such tiles are required to cover a floor of the area 1080 meters square? If required, you can split the tiles in whatever way you want to fill up the corners. This is okay. So let's look on the solution. We have given base of flooring tile 24 centimeter. You can see here base of the flooring tile 24 centimeter. The area is 1080 meters square. So firstly you need to change the units of the base and the height. These are given in centimeter and the area is in meter. So you will convert these centimeters into meter. 24 centimeter will be equal to 24 upon 100 meter, that is 2.24 meter. And the height of a flooring tile is equal to 10 centimeter, that is 10 upon 100.10 meter. Area of flooring tile, as it is given, it has the shape of a parallelogram, and we know that the area of parallelogram is base into height or the altitude. Base is 0.24 meter and height is 0.10 meter. 24 upon 100 into 10 upon 100. Zeros cancelled out. 24 upon 1000 That will be equal to 0.024 meter square. As you are also given with the area of floor 1080 meter square, and you find out the area of flooring tile, that is area of one tile you have already calculated. So number of tiles required to cover the floor will be equal to area of floor divided by area of one tile. Area of floor is 1080 meter square and area of one tile is 0.024. He calculated 1084 divided by 24. Decimal will be removed to give 1000 in the numerator. You can cancel out the terms by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 10, 2 fours are 8, 0. 6 twos are 12, 6 nines are 54, 0. 2 ones are 2, 2 45s are 90. So we get 45 and 1000 will be multiplied to give 45,000 tiles. Meter square upon meter square. The same ratios are here. So no units will be there. And the question was to find the number of tiles. So these 45,000 are the required number of tiles. The required answer is here.